In this video, we will cover user management. To access user management, navigate to Settings on the sidebar and select User Management. Within User Management, you will find 3 tabs at the top: Users, Profile, and History. The Users tab allows you to create new users or edit existing ones. When editing a user, you can make changes to their name, enable or disable the user, and set permissions. Users can be selected by clicking the box to the left of their name, enabling the use of buttons at the bottom. These buttons allow you to remove users, download the user list, or reset passwords. Additionally, the File option enables editing of the side menu. The History tab displays login activity. You can also view login history while editing a user.